what we got here is a funny old thing, isn't it? It's an old-fashioned metronome. It was Dispar that gave me the idea for this. He was saying to Gary, have you actually had a balance like this with a 2 mass and a 1 mass and noted the frequency and then moved the masses to a different position but with the same ratio and seen the difference in the frequency? And I thought, well, that's a good idea. If you could have an indicator by sound and vision of the frequency with the metronome, it'd be a good little test. So what I'm going to do, now it's not perfect, of course. It's roughly in time, but it will go out. But it's to give an indicator, just for a few seconds, of the frequency. And then keeping the same weights, I'm going to move them out to the different position on the lever, so it's still a balance, and see if there's any change in the frequency. And of course I haven't shown the weighing of the masses. The whole assembly here for Gary is double the weight of the assembly here, all the components. I haven't shown that because I've noted when people show that, you then go, oh, this is boring, I'll turn it off. So if you want me to show that in another video, I can do that. Anyway, I shall now alter, just to reaffirm, in this position, it's roughly in synchronism with the metronome. Keeping the metronome going at the same frequency, I shall alter the weights so it's still a balance, same weights, different position on the lever. Bear with me. Right, metronome's the same weight assemblies, 2 to 1. All we've changed is the position. So the length of this arm is twice the length of this arm. As before, this was twice the length of this. So it's a balance still. Now why, if it's a balance, is the frequency change dramatically on this? Much slower now, isn't it? That's a question for Gary of Draft Science. I'm sure you've got plenty of ideas why. You'll probably start with the first one that I've cheated on the weights or something ridiculous like that. Anyway, assuming that I haven't cheated in any way, and this would be repeated thousands of times by different people, what would be your answer for why this is happening? I like these mechanical metronomes, no batteries required. I hope it don't send anybody to sleep, unless they want to go to sleep, of course. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again.